guys, welcome back for another video, and if you're at the Hux World, and yes, if you look at the title, I am about to start a YouTube channel, another YouTube channel, and yes, I'm crying out for your support. Now you may be thinking or want to ask, why am I starting another YouTube channel? Well, first of all, it's about supporting my family. Second, I love cars. And I decided to try to do something new, something different. No, we are not going to stop making watch face reviews, doing the news, doing tech reviews. We are not going to stop doing any of those things. But we do need to do something else to tie into, of course, what I'm doing now. We do need to boost revenue. I'm going to keep it real with you. I need to make a little bit more money. Also, again, as I said, I love cars. Now, first off, I want to thank you all for everybody who support me, for everybody who's loyal to the channel. Thank you. I dig deep every day to bring you guys nothing but the very best in watch faces and reviews. So thank you guys for being a part of the channel, and thank you all for watching this video as well. Now, as you know, because of Paul Logan, we have to, of course, get 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch time hours. And so I'm reaching out for the support of you guys on the channel to support the new channel. And the new channel is called Hux World Auto Review. So if you can, watch some of the videos and of course subscribe to the channel and just support me in my endeavor to try to do this new channel, I would really appreciate it. Jackie, don't give it away, because the first car that I'm going to review is going to be my car. All right, so I can't tell you what it is. We're going to do the review and you guys will be surprised. The other thing is, this is not a YouTube car, and I say that to say that all my money that I make on YouTube goes to my wife. I don't get any of it. I may skimp on some of the revenue that comes from the affiliate links that I have in the description that, some of you have went into and bought from to support the channel. And of course, I appreciate that also. But no, I get nothing. I work a 9-to-5 job. I really want to leave the job where I'm at least go part-time. I really love doing reviews. I really love tech. So I want to do this thing with the car review. So I'm reaching out. I'm asking for your support. If you can go ahead and check that channel out. It's up right now. We haven't done any live reviews, but we wanted to get the channel going. So we have put some photo reviews, of course, up so you guys can watch. There's a few of them up right now, and the weather is bad in my area. It's the very reason why I don't have the first one up yet. I already have a couple of cars lined up. Mine's is one, and then I have another one that I'm going to review that, I want to let it remain a surprise for when I do them, so when you see the review, you're like, okay, cool. But yeah, that's it, you all. I just wanted to reach out and ask for support and kind of let you know what I'm doing. I do have another channel going, and I would love for you all to be a part of it. All right? Okay, you all, listen, it's raining in my area. Don't look like no sun is in sight for the rest of the week, all the way through next week. I don't know what's going on. We just got through having 5 inches of snow in my area. So yeah, I don't know what's going on. So the review is probably going to take a minute because I don't like cold, and I definitely like springtime and summertime weather. So with that being said, that's going to be it. Jackie, shh. All right. Jonathan, check it out. Support me. Adrian, Sonja, everybody. All right. Tighten the brother up. Okay, I'm going to see you all at the next video. I'm going to get out of here. I got to edit this one. I got another video to do that I had been putting on the back burner. And I got some other videos that I got to get done to get out to you guys as well. And with that being said, thank you for the love. Thank you for the support on the channel. I'm going to see you all at the next one. Take care and have a great day and or night. And I am watching the road. All right, I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.